Hi guys, this is Brito. Welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic self introduction. Let's get into the session. What is self introduction? We all know first impression is the best impression. It is the first step for every employee for entering into a company. So, our impression should be the best. How we have to impress the employer? How we have to prepare ourselves to present a best self introduction? Let's discuss one by one in this session. What does the interviewer need? Actually, every interviewer searches for the best personality during the interview, and they will study about personality and technical ability of every candidate, those who are present in the interview, and they will justify the decision to hire you. So these are the things which every interviewer will expect from the candidate. So we have to be the best, and we should be good in our personality and in technical abilities. Self introduction must be very brief and concise, should not exceed more than 3 minutes. We have to prepare our self introduction very briefly and concise, and through self introduction we should show our skills, development, compatibility, vision, and excitement. So these things will definitely admire every interviewer during the interview, and these are the things will create a best impression about the candidate. How to sell yourself? Use short focused statement, interesting, short and relevant. Our self introduction must be interesting and short and should be relevant to the job. We have to exhibit our strengths and achievements while presenting our self introduction. It will helps to build our personality. Sound confident. We should be bold and confident while presenting the self introduction. Practice speaking. Experiment and vary your tone. Personal and education. It is the most important part of self introduction. We should not include our marital status, children, or etc. Include information such as our hometown or our country or our personal attributes to the society. Education. Either the latest obtained or major field if relevant to job objective. We have to project the latest obtained degree which is very relevant to the job. Tell me about yourself. Here I have given you 3 steps how we have to tell about yourself. First thing, we have to express our qualities, then our experience with few reasons. Reasons in the sense why we are here for the job. Step 1. 3 most important qualities for the job. The ability to communicate well with people. The ability to set goals and stay on track. The ability to handle rejection. These are the important qualities and abilities which project our personality to the interviewer. Step 2. Your latest activities and achievements. Through self introduction, we have to express our latest activities and achievements. And step 3. Show your knowledge and be enthusiastic in front of the interviewer. So be active in front of the interviewer. practice. Make note for your self introduction for 5 to 10 minutes. In pairs, practice telling your partner about yourself and why you want the job. Practice with your friends before entering into the interview hall. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.